Capital expenditure from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon guide. The link is available in the description below. Capital expenditure, often abbreviated as CapEx, pronounced CapEx, refers to the financial investments made by a business or organization in the acquisition, improvement, or maintenance of long-term assets, such as property, buildings, machinery, equipment, or technology. These expenditures are incurred to enhance the organization's capabilities, productivity, or capacity, and they are expected to yield benefits over an extended period. Capital expenditures are distinct from operational expenditures, OPEX, which cover day-to-day operating costs and have a more immediate impact on a business's ongoing activities. To explore all the 2,500+ procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.